Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. This is the daily vocabulary booster wherein we learn 5 new words every day. So these words are picked up from the Hindu editorial, and we know that there are a lot of vocabulary based questions asked in the English section for various bank and government exams. So every day at 12 p.m. we try and provide you 5 new words which will help you enhance your vocabulary. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link which is given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. The first word for today is abstain. Now, abstain is when we try to restrain ourselves from doing or enjoying something. So whenever we try to not indulge ourselves into something, or we try to stop ourselves from doing something, that is when we use the term abstain. The usage is, I am trying to abstain from sweets for my new diet. So based on my new diet, I'm trying to restrain or resist sweets from my new diet. The next term is antithetical. Now, antithetical is directly opposed or contrasted. So, something which is directly opposed or contrasted from something else. One of the synonyms is mutually incompatible. So, something which is not compatible enough, so hence it becomes mutually incompatible. The usage is, his grandparents cannot tolerate people whose religious beliefs are antithetical to theirs. That means they cannot tolerate anyone else whose religious beliefs are opposed to their own. The next term is delineate. Now, delineate is when we describe or portray something very precisely. So, if we try to portray something very precisely to someone else, that is when we use the term delineate. Few of the synonyms are outline or trace. The usage is, ideally the law should delineate and prohibit behavior which is socially abhorrent. So a behavior which is socially not acceptable should be specifically or very precisely it should be described. The next term is overwhelm. Overwhelm is to have a strong emotional effect or effect on. So if we have a very emotional effect on something, that is when we use the term overwhelm. Few of the synonyms are overcome, move, stir, affect, touch or impress. So these are all the synonyms of overwhelm. The usage is, her dance performance got an overwhelming response from the audience. That means everyone were left emotionally attached, or everyone could not really explain how much her dance performance touched them or emotionally affected them. The next word is rapaciously, which means aggressively greedy or grasping. So if someone's very greedy, that is when we use the term rapacious or rapaciously. One of the synonyms is avaricious. Okay, the usage is, a decade of rapacious consolidation has made JP Morgan Chase the world's largest bank outside China. So JP Morgan, due to its aggressive grasping power, has become one of the biggest bank outside China. Those were the 5 new words we learned today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link which is given to you in the description box. Do like this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos for your exam preparations. Thank you.